Say hello to Jupiter Apartments Seattle, a student abode that embodies smart and comfortable living perfectly. With an entire studio apartment all to yourself, get unlimited access to the entire space with a private bedroom and bathroom. When culinary inspiration strikes, your private kitchen is stocked with all essential kitchen gadgets. Tackle laundry day with on-site facilities. Stay updated with speedy Wi-Fi and park your wheels in the bike storage. Your security is prioritized here with controlled access and package locker. Seattle University and Seattle Central College are just a short commute away. Also, turn your weekly grocery shopping into a leisurely stroll at Safeway, located just 4 minutes away. Placed at 17th Avenue in Seattle, Jupiter Apartments gives you easy access to all public transportation. East John Street and 15th Avenue. East Bus Stop, Capitol Hill Station, and tram stops are just a stroll away. So, step into a world of comfort and modern living by booking your room at Jupiter Apartments in Seattle via amberstudent.com now.